Hello everyone, this is Cody from iSoft Data Systems, and today I'll be showing you how to take items out of iTrack and import them into the Berryhill website. Now I'll be showing you how to do that out of iTrack Enterprise and out of iTrack Pro, but we'll get started with iTrack Enterprise. So here we are in iTrack Enterprise, and we'll start off by going to the search screen. And now that we're in the search screen, the idea here is that we want to get everything on the screen together at one time. Everything we'll be sending over to the auction. Now, to do that, what people typically do is they gather up all the items that they're sending to the auction so that they're grouped together by a location. The items here that we're sending over to the Berryhill website have been grouped by a location of Berryhill. So we will search for that, and here are all of the items. We'll select them by clicking on the top one. You can see it's highlighted in blue, holding down the Shift button on your keyboard and clicking on the bottom one so that we're selecting a range. You can see that all of the items that we're sending over are highlighted in blue, and from there we'll click on the Export button and select Auction CSV. Now this step is very important. The Auction CSV is specifically formatted so that you can upload it to the Berryhill website from iTrack Enterprise. So we'll click on that and name our export Berryhill Export. Just click Save, and that is all there is to it for getting items out of iTrack Enterprise so that they can be uploaded to the Berryhill website. Here we are inside of iTrack Pro now, and I'll show you how to export the file from here, and it's very similar to what we saw in iTrack Enterprise. We'll go over to the search screen, and just as before, we'll grab a location of Berryhill and hit search. So now that we've got the items up, just as before, we'll select the top one, hold down Shift and click on the bottom one to select the range. Then we'll go down to Export. You'll notice there is no Auction CSV here. So one thing that's nice is that iTrack Pro is already pre-formatted to export straight to the Berryhill website. We can click on that button, and there is our export from iTrack Enterprise. We'll just call the one from iTrack Pro Berryhill Export 2. A little more information for you about the location here. Now, I have gone through ahead of time and selected a location of Berryhill for each of these parts. The location that you type in there doesn't matter so much as long as you're consistent. You just need to make sure that all of the items can be together on the screen at the same time. So now we've got our file exported from both iTrack Enterprise and from iTrack Pro. Here we are on the Berryhill website, that is www.berryhillauctioneers.com. Click on the Sign In button, and I'll just sign in using my account. Once you're signed in, to upload to the auctions, you click on the Upload My Inventory button. We've got the auction here that I'll be uploading to, but if you don't see any auctions, you can call the Berryhill crew at 972-874-1222, and they should be able to get you an auction you can upload to. So we will just select the auction from the list, hit the Choose File button, and here are the exports from iTrack Enterprise and from iTrack Pro. We'll just choose the iTrack Enterprise one. If you scroll down to the bottom, then you should see the items that you've uploaded. So here are the engines we grabbed. One question that I get a lot is, what happens if I accidentally upload duplicates? That's perfectly fine. In that instance, it'll add in any new inventory, and then any old inventory, it'll just override it with your updated information. Another question that I get a lot of times is, what about my images? Images should come over from the iTrack system and be displayed on the Berryhill website. One last thing is, if you've decided to break the exports into multiple files just to keep things organized, that's fine. The only thing is that you have to upload them one at a time. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions, you can call the Berryhill crew. Once again, that number is 972-874-1222. Or you can call iSoft Data Systems at 1-800-929-1829. Extension 3. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes the process easy for uploading to the Berryhill website.